In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to find the 95% confidence interval for your dataset in Microsoft Excel. So to do that, first you have to make sure that in the Microsoft Excel analysis toolpak is active. To activate the analysis toolpak, first you have to go to the file, then options, then add scene. Here in the add scene, under the section of manage, make sure that Excel add scene is selected, then go. Then here add scene available options are given, so I will select from that. I will select analysis toolpak, then OK. So this will add the data analysis tab under the data section. So to find the 95% confidence interval, I will click data analysis. From that I will select descriptive statistics. This will give me the one new window where I have to give the various options. So input range is nothing but our data set, so I will select the complete data set including its label. So since I have selected the label, I will tick label in first row, and my data is grouped in a column, so I will select the column. Now I want my results in a new worksheet, so I have selected new worksheet, and here select summary statistics and confidence level for mean 95%. Now you can change 90%, whatever you want for your data set. So I have selected 95%, then click OK. So this will give you the new worksheet where you will get all the results. So here for our data, we can see the descriptive statistics result: mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum value, maximum value, sum, count, and in last row it is confidence level 95%. Now this is giving the single value, it is not giving the upper or the lower level. To find the upper and lower level, we have to add upper 95% and lower level 95%. What we have to do, equal sign, then we have to select mean plus confidence level. So this will give the upper level 95% confidence interval. Same way, equal to mean minus confidence level. So this will give you the lower level 95% confidence interval. So let's select this one. Let's highlight this one. So here we can see mean, upper level 95% confidence interval value, and lower level 95% confidence interval value. I hope this video would have helped you. Thank you.